Alright, my dudes, so we are carrying on grafting, as they say in the UK. Gonna have a little one of these motherfuckers. Some Polish dumpling shit. We carry on working on this baby. As you can see, Daniel's son has already
Daniel-san!
What?
cleaned out all these sellotape marks and all that shit. So well done, Daniel-san.
Now show me wax on, wax off.
Not yet, geezer. Today we're polishing the headlights.
Next, we're gonna work on these beauties. Now, all this shit devalues the car massively because no one likes, you know, all this being foggy and stuff. So what we do, we got ourselves some water, got ourselves some, then we got ourselves some of this shit, tooth powder, and some of these. So they're toothbrushes, by the way, if you didn't know. So what we do, as it says here, wet your toothbrush, shake off surplus water and press into the powder. Brush your teeth the way your dentist recommends for powerful stain removal. Is only necessary, blah blah blah. I might brush my fucking teeth with that. I've got some stain, motherfuckers. Okay. Does it come in a nice little box, I'm hoping? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I think we're better off using a damp, shitty, old microfiber cloth. So, let's have a go. So, at the moment, it's so stained. So, let's start from the edge and do it in a polishing action. What I'm gonna do, actually, get some light on this bad boy.
And while we're here, say hello to Bob, everyone. He's here from Jamaica to look watch over our
This is fucked.
amazing work, man.
We can make it not fucked. Actually, I've got a torch. Torch is here. Does it work? Yeah. Not sure for how long, but we can get some power in it, and maybe it will even stick on this. Oh yeah. Check this out, boys and girls. Oh yeah. Now we can see and show you what the fuck is going on. And what's going on is, look how clear this is becoming. That is what is fucking going on. Oh, the things they teach you here for free. I think I'm gonna get myself a chair, sit down, and do this shit properly. Oh man, covered in shit, but doesn't matter. Okay, we've got some water here. Oh shit. Careful with your coke powder. Hey, what's up, my bro? Were you shagging or wanking?
No, I was buying drinks.
Both?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, mate. Man, it's fucking freezing and shit. Let's do it tomorrow, man. It's a bit late now, isn't it?
Yeah, you know what, mate. Yeah, I was running a bit late anyway.
Yeah, no worries. I mean, yeah, I still haven't got any parts, so we might as well do it all at once. And I'm giving the old Renault a fucking nice polish. Gonna try and sell it. Get some dineros.
I'm getting well pissed off that fucking ticket.
Really? Does he want to get smashed?
Oh, no, not him. That fucking bird, her fucking stepdaughter, fucking keeps driving past me, giving me fucking looks. I just want to punch her square in the face, stupid cat.
Mate, why are you getting fucking wound up? See, that's why I keep telling people to smoke some weed, mate. Cause shit like that doesn't fucking bother me at all, mate. You need to chill the fuck out, brother, because you're gonna give yourself a heart attack and you're gonna waste valuable energy on bullshit like that. Listen to me, mate. I'm 45 years old. I know what I'm talking about.
No, you're right, mate. You're alright.
45. I told my missus that you said I was 45, and I told Kate. They were fucking laughing for about half an hour. I said you fucking bitches made me look 10 years older than I am.
No, she's just a fucking dirty gang, mate, staring at me like, she has a little fucking, yes, the other car, mate, a little fucking bloke, mate. I was thinking, mate, I'm skinny now, mate. I fucking smash you, you come as well, just looking at me, I fucking also I get in the car, fucking move over.
They're not worth it, brother. You know how many cunts give me dirty looks? Fuck them, mate. I just need to get my car in shape so I can.
Mate, I just deserve like crap. Yeah, crap.
Tramps, they all tramps, bruv. They all tramps.
Yeah, of course it's crap, mate. I mean, I've just turned out to make 500 quid for that.
Well done, man. You are a G of OGs.
3 hours work.
See, that's good. That's why I'm going. That's why I'm going to college.
Fucking doing another 120 quid for 6 hours in the week. Hey, I made like 620 quid this fuck off. Well, I made over £1,000 this week doing fuck all. And that bitch is driving around fucking care work for fucking 200 quid, mate. A week.
It doesn't matter, mate. Don't waste your energy on them. I'm shooting a video how to polish up the headlights with a bit of teeth fucking powder.
Oh, what? Today?
Huh? Now. As I'm speaking to you, I'm rubbing this motherfucker like it's never been rubbed before.
Mate, you should leave the other one and let me do it the proper way.
What, to clear it?
Yeah.
Nah, fuck this, mate. Don't spend any of your energies on this piece of shit. I'm just it's on the Renault anyway, not on my car.
No, I know that, but you should do a comparison with your video.
Ah, okay.
This is how you do it the proper way. This is how you do it for a first car a bit bigger.
Yeah? Alright, yeah, let's do that. I'm recording this shit right now, so we've got a challenge. I'm not gonna do the other one then.
Yeah.
Nice one, brother.
Yeah.
Catch you later, mate. Don't go changing, try and please me, alright?
Yeah, nice one, bruv, yeah.
Oh, nice one, brother.
Nice one, brother.
Nice one, brother.
I said, nice, bruv.
Alright, man, I will let you get on.
Yeah. I don't want you to get upset, but I'm not getting upset. I said, you know why I'm not getting upset? She's like, why? I said, she ain't gonna fucking laugh.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, what do you mean? I said, she ain't gonna laugh. I said, I'm not being funny. Right? You've seen him since January. You've seen him twice. The first time he didn't fucking chat to you. The second time he brings his fucking mate, you should be like, no, so I told him to bring his mate. Well, no, he should be saying to you, no. I said, he should be coming down and he's once a week to see you. For fuck's sake, he goes around thinking he's got fucking money for it. And he's got a Bentley and that. And like, he fucking afford to pay all fake work. I got to go to the pub.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I got all come down.
So, and I told her that Tom might have lost some weight, but he's been on the news because all his weight went right into his dick. And now he's got the biggest dick in Eastbourne. I said that you did. Yeah, I told Kate that you've been on the news for the biggest dick in Eastbourne.
Alright.
Yeah, so shouldn't let me down, boy. Shouldn't let me down. Nah, I'm joking, mate. We're just fucking about. But
You should have said to her, I am the biggest dick in Eastbourne.
oh, do you reckon I should just wrap these motherfuckers in some what is it called? Like pearlescent wrap.
That's what?
Headlights. Nah. Actually, mate, you know what? It's coming off, I think. Anyway, bro, give me a shout tomorrow. Okay, geezer. See you later, mate. Okay, bye-bye.
Nice one, brother.
I said, nice, bruv.
Fucking nice one, brother.
Nice one, bruv. Brother.
Fuck off.
Just grab it like that. I don't think fuck all is happening, to be honest, boys. I think fuck all is happening. Maybe. Well, you've just heard on the phone that Tom reckons that he can sort them out quickly. So maybe we should just not fuck about and waste our valuable time and let him deal with that shit. It's like, let's have a look on these little fuckers, for example. Maybe it's getting clearer, I don't know. Maybe you just have to wait for a long time. You just have to pull on your wheelie all day and all night long. You just have to pull on the wheelie and pull on the knob. Let's just fucking quickly see if it's made any difference whatsoever, and maybe not waste our time.
Oh yeah, it definitely makes a difference. Definitely much better, but it's definitely much better to use sandpaper.
You know what? Maybe we just rub them with some of the soapy shit.
So dudes, if your headlights are not too faded, you can use soda, brush, you know, soda water with a bit of this cloth, and it will brighten them up, but it will not help if they're too fucked.
I think this is just crack deterioration of the actual plastic. I think it needs to be sanded down. Well, Tom said he can do it, so maybe let's give him benefit of the doubt.
So tune in very soon, my lads and lasses, grandmas and grandpas, and we will have our professional car gynecologist Tom to show you how to do even a better job out of your headlights.
I'll be back. Oh yeah, and of course, if you want to be a G, please subscribe to Triple B. Aight?
No, it's aight.
Come on. Do it. Do it!